Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub and here I am once again with my two friends. Okay guys, well let me tell you, these two friends are identical. You cannot see any difference, right? One is highly successful and one is highly unsuccessful. So I want to tell you that from outside we are all identical. If you look at them, the color, the texture, the size, the design, successful people and unsuccessful people, they are all identical almost in all the ways externally. For instance, 24 hours a day for successful people, for unsuccessful people, 7 days a week, 30 days a month, 365 days a year. We are all identical from outside, and by the way, my point is outside does not make difference. The real difference is actually what is going on inside, and that is the thing that is going to help you fly high in the air or fall down even below the ground level. Now you can see these two friends, same from outside, no difference at all. But when I leave them, then you see what happens. One of them goes up and the second one falls down. Why is that? They were same from outside. Hello friend. They were same from outside. So what happened to this and what happened to that? That's what we call what is going on inside, the internal thing. This fellow has got air in it, and that air is heavier than this atmosphere. So whenever I gave a chance to this fellow, because it was already heavy from inside, negative feelings, no motivation, when I gave a chance, it fell down. On the other hand, when I gave a chance to this fellow, it wanted to fly high. Why? Because inside there is helium gas, and that helium gas is lighter than the surrounding. So if inside of you is lighter than your surrounding, if you don't care, if there isn't, now for example, this fellow has the same air that we have outside, but this fellow has different air, rather we call it gas, helium gas. So whatever is inside you, that makes a huge difference. From outside we are all the same, we look alike, right? So all you guys need to do, you need to focus your inside, what's going on in your mind, what's happening, how you are planning, what your attitude is, what your reactions are, how you behave to certain situations, and whether you are motivated from your inside or outside. Now even if I try to make this balloon fly, I cannot do that. It will fall down time and again. Hello fellow, go up, make progress, do something in your life. No, it will fall down even to the ground. And this fellow, if I give a chance to this fellow in the open air, then this fellow is going to fly high, and after a few seconds it is going to actually vanish in the air.